In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam Workshop files on your PC. This is a handy skill to have if you want to access mods or custom content downloaded from the Steam Workshop. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step so you can easily follow along and locate those files. First, you'll want to start by opening your Steam application. This is your gateway to all the games and features offered by Steam, including the Workshop. Once you have Steam open, look for the login button, click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. This would be your account name and password. Once you've entered your information, simply click on the sign in button. This will take you to your personalized Steam homepage. On the homepage, you want to navigate to the community tab. This section of Steam is where you can engage with other users and find creative content crafted by the community. Within the community, you will find an option labeled Workshop. Click on it to access the Workshop section where users and developers post mods for games. Once you're in the Workshop, it's time to locate your Workshop files. Click on your Workshop files, which will display all the mods and content you've subscribed to and downloaded. A useful option here is the subscribed items section, which conveniently lists everything you've opted to download from the Workshop. With an overview of your Workshop files in hand, the next part of the journey is locating these files on your computer. Let's head over to your PC now. Open File Explorer. This is the tool you'll use to navigate through your computer's folders. Once open, click on this PC and then select your primary hard drive, typically known as the Windows drive, labeled C. Within this drive, you'll look for a folder named Program Files, x86, and inside that locate and open the Steam folder. Once inside the Steam folder, you'll want to click on the Steam Apps directory, which is where Steam stores much of its installed game data. Inside Steam Apps, you should see a Workshop folder. Click on the Workshop folder and then proceed to the Content folder. The Content folder is where all your downloaded Workshop files are stored. Inside the Content folder, you'll find multiple folders corresponding to different games and mods. Take your time to explore these folders. Each one contains the data and files of the mods you've subscribed to. This is how you can access and manage your Steam Workshop files directly on your PC. And there you have it, you've now learned how to find your Steam Workshop files on your PC. This knowledge allows you to access, modify or back up these files whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Steam Workshop content.